Welcome to PetesGuide. This is Metric Monday, and this has to be one of the strangest fasteners I've ever seen. I found these on Amazon while looking for more M6 fasteners, and these are some sort of scissor bolt. I've seen them have a couple different names and actually a couple different designs, but I'm going to take this one apart. So we have a nut, a lock washer, and a washer on that end, then this sleeve, and a stud. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to get that. And a very bent, flattened part with two wings on it. And these don't even move really, so we have a manufacturing quality issue here. And the sizes of these wings are inconsistent, so those two little cast pieces that fell on the floor are these two pieces. These sleeve into that, these fit inside this sleeve, and they have little cutouts for the wings, for the scissor wings. And the way this is supposed to work is you leave it all assembled, you slide it through the hole, and what's odd about these is because of the length of this sleeve, these only work on material with a depth that is similar to that, maybe a little bit longer. So the range of thicknesses of material that this will work with is bizarrely limited. On top of that, I couldn't find any installation instructions. The package has a URL that it points you to find installation instructions, and all I get is a product listing there. Well, I get a dozen or 2 dozen listings of product installations, none of which have a picture of this fastener, and I wasn't in the mood to go watch all 2 dozen videos to figure out which one of those videos includes the installation instructions for this, and I'm not even convinced that it exists. So, again, the theme I'm working on right now is I'm trying to find the ideal set of tools and the minimum set of tools needed to install M6 metric fasteners. So, in my handy little jig here, it doesn't fit there, it does fit there, and just by a process of elimination, I tried this off camera, so I already know what the probable size is. 10.5 millimeter hole, and it's possible it could be 10.25, but for, I don't know if these are meant for metal. I've seen a couple pictures of these inserted in a funky way into cinder blocks and other hollow masonry, but I'm not convinced that's what these are meant for. So at least for the next step, it looks like I can allocate a 10.5 millimeter drill for installing these, and that's cool because I already have a 10.5 millimeter drill from all of my previous tests for M6 fasteners. And I really hate it when I have to add another drill to this collection. Trying to keep things simple. But I have a question for you all. What the heck is this fastener? Clearly you start off with the wings in this. You insert it through the hole and then you tighten the bolt down and it wedges the wings out to a horizontal position or close to that. But I'm befuddled. And I want to know, have you seen these before? Have you used them? Are they as bad as I think they are, or do they have one specific use where they work better than anything else? Let me know down in the comments. This is PetesGuide closing down.